Okay, so this is video 10 and it's troubleshooting. Now, you shouldn't really have much issues when it comes to troubleshooting. Obviously, a lot of the standard things is like really check your paint, minerals built up on the edges like white calcium or oxidization. Of course, it affects every single type of wrap. These are very standard things to look out for. When it comes to utilizing the slip, obviously we've discussed in other videos, how you mix it is how it's going to react. Whether you want to do a bulk style or a pre-cut, is whether you use it heavy or light. Now, the main other factor will affect your installation when it comes to utilizing a slip, as you would in most PPF industries, is the temperature and humidity. So really check that. Check your humidity isn't high. Especially with the air channels, if you have a high humidity, it takes a very long time for the slip to react because of the humidity in the air. When you're in a very low humidity, if you're used to using an 8 ml solution, if it's low humidity, it could be slightly tackier. All you have to do is just bump it up by 0.5 or 1 ml per litre to what you would be as normal. Other things, I mean, generally it's fairly straightforward as a combination of the film and the slip itself. So think about it, just use your brain. If it's a bit hotter, you might need to use more. If it's a bit colder, you might need to actually use more. Believe it or not, if you're utilizing it this and the panel itself is about 17 degrees, it can actually make it a tackier install when it's cold. So then again, you're probably going to bump it up a little bit. So modify your slip to your situation, check your humidity because the humidity is a very big factor when it comes to doing a wet style installation. Just to reiterate, basically you can adjust your slip to suit your environment. It's a very good idea to have a temperature and a humidity meter like this one, because even if you have a high temperature, your workshop could be at 26 degrees, but it could actually be at an 80 or 90% humidity inside there. And even if it's warm temperature and your panel temperature is warm, the humidity will affect it. And again, the opposite, it can be a very low humidity, generally not, but it could be a low humidity and a low temperature. So depending on the country you're in, depending on the situation you're in, these kind of factors are going to affect how you utilize the slip. So don't just go by what we say, always think for yourself. Yeah, if you're finding that it's a bit too tacky and you're creating imperfections, then add a mil or 2 per litre. If you're finding it too slippery, too hard to finish off the edges, check first that you've cleaned your edges correctly, if there's any waxes or contamination that can cause an issue, or you drop how much of the slip solution you're using. Yeah, so as I've showed you in previous videos, a low amount is going to give you a tacky style installation, which you can still squeegee out, and a high amount is going to give you a higher slip, but also gives you that tack once you clear out the slip. That's basically standard things that you need to think about.